Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and hardware wallet expert. On this episode, we are going to unbox the Ledger Nano Gen 5. So I've been looking forward to this video, and as always, they always package these wallets very nicely. It reminds me of Apple. But guys, we are going to unbox this. I am also going to be doing a full setup video. So we will have a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this device. So make sure that you are subscribed, that you like this video, and comment down below your thoughts and feelings. Have you been using this wallet? What else would you like us to unbox? So thank you, Ledger, for sending one over. This is going to be the first look, of course, in 4K. And yeah, we have a lot more videos to come on this channel. For those of you that don't know, we do a bunch of videos on crypto security. In particular, we go over Ledger's Trezors. We've already unboxed the Ledger Flex. The Nano S Plus is part of our online courses. So if you guys are looking to further your education, watch our other videos. We have a bunch of videos on all different crypto cold wallets / hardware wallets. And also make sure that you guys hit up the link tree. If you're going to pick up a crypto wallet, make sure to use the link tree. You guys can use the code in the description. In every video on this channel, we have links for you so that you can ensure you are on the right website. So guys, let's dive right into it. Let's give you the first look. My first impression, without even opening up the box, is that it feels very premium. So the way they package it is similar to Apple, it seems. So let's take off the seals and make sure that when you are setting up your wallet, make sure nothing's been tampered with. If it feels like somebody tampered with the device, do not use it. Okay, guys, so I'm not gonna lie, this is really slick. First impressions, this is really slick. Okay, and we're gonna compare this to other Ledger devices. Trust yourself. Trust the moose. Wow. In red, this looks awesome. Okay, guys, so I'm kind of a sucker for the plastic kind of geeky crypto hardware wallets. This hits on that. This is really cool, especially in the red. So I really like red. Similar colors to my video production company. Wow. Welcome to Ledger Nano. Sign your digital signer. Guys, if you are looking to set up this wallet, we will be doing a step-by-step guide in 4K. So make sure that you are subscribed and be on the lookout for that as well. So here we've got USB-C on the bottom. It is very petite. It's very small. Kind of similar to like my phone. I have a red iPhone. So this would match really well with my EDC. This might have to be my everyday crypto wallet. I mean, it has Bluetooth. We'll get into other stuff in the review video. But wow. This is really cool in red. If you guys are a big fan of like product red stuff, man, I think this is cool. So I brought out, this is the one key. So I just want to make sure we're in focus. But it reminds me of the one key in terms of kind of the overall nerdiness of it. I really like wallets that are kind of light like this, that are just super functional. And it's got that vibe. It's very cool. It's very crypto nerdy like. I think this is fantastic. Honestly, I'm kind of blown away with how much I like this in terms of first impression. So Ledger's done it again. I have to give Ledger credit. At first, my thought was, I don't know how this would fit in with what they already have. We'll get into the rest of the unboxing in a second, but this is the Ledger Flex. So very similar in height. It's a little bit smaller though, I think. Or is it the same? It's a little bit smaller. Okay. It's a little bit thinner side to side. But right now, the Ledger Flex, this is one of my favorite wallets. It's absolutely cool. Got a little photo of the moose, but this features an e-ink display. We also have links in the description if you guys want to pick up one of these. They're a little more expensive. But all in all, if you guys are holding Bitcoin, you need to protect it, especially over the long run, right? So, wow. This wallet it feels so cool. This is really nice. Really, really nice. So I'm excited to get things set up in the future. Also, when you pick up one of these devices, it comes with a recovery key. So right here, you have your recovery key. Ultimately, when you are setting up a crypto cold wallet, you want to ensure that you are writing down your seed phrase. And then, of course, you have things like the recovery key. So if you ever lose the device, it's no big deal. You just pick up another one and you go to your recovery key and you can restore your device. So we will be going over that setup as well. So very nice. Very, very, very nice here. Very cool. So hopefully we have a cable as well. So let's see what else we got. So let's see what else we have here. Recovery sheets. Included, we also have our secret recovery phrase sheet. So when you are setting up your device, make sure that you write down your mnemonic seed phrase. These are a series of letters and numbers. In case you ever lose your physical device, all you have to do is go to your secret recovery phrase, import your words, and you are going to be able to recover your crypto. So it's all about writing down your seed phrase, okay? So we have that. We also have a beautiful USB-C cable. So USB-C to USB-C. There we go. So we'll be able to plug that in and charge it. And this is a very small device, very slick. And then of course we have paperwork. We're not going to read that. Moose is already knowledgeable in that. So it looks like we have a third. So we have 3 of these. All right, guys. So one final comparison. That is the Ledger Nano Gen 5. This is the Ledger Flex. And then we also have, for comparison, we have our original Ledger Nano, Ledger Nano S Plus. And then for comparison, we have something like a Trezor Safe 5. So it's kind of similar in size to the Safe 5. It really is. I would say it's just as thin. So if we look, very cool. Same with the Flex. It's thinner than the Flex. It feels like it. Just by a hair. Is it? It's very similar. I would say it's thinner than the Flex, but not by much. This wallet is legit. Guys, this wallet is going to have to go in the Moose's EDC. So to give you an idea, so if we were to do the Moose's EDC with the red phone, look how cool that looks. All right, guys, so that brings us to the end of the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Just trying to give you guys a first look in 4K. And if you want to pick one up, guys, hit up the link tree. We have that pinned in the comment section down below, as well as in the description of every video right here on the channel. So guys, the moose is loose. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.